2013. Whoa! Good luck to everybody.
Yeah, everyone be safe, please.
So you want us to start off hard?
Put your glasses on.
Yeah, start off good.
Guys?
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Careful making wishes in a dark, dark canopy, so when they hit that mark and besides, in the meantime, I'm just dreaming of tearing you apart. I'm in the deep, deep days with the devil. All the world can never get me on my level. I just gotta get you out the cage. I'm a young lover's rage, gonna need a spark to ignite. My songs know what you did in the dark. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up, I'm on fire. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up, I'm on fire. Riders keep riding with me. Somewhere another pretty vein just. I got the scars from tomorrow, and I wish you could see that you're the antidote to everything except for me. A constellation of tears on your lashes. Burn everything you love, then burn the ashes. In the end, everything collides. My childhood, spat back out the monster that you see. My songs know what you did in the dark. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up, I'm on fire. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up, I'm on fire.
La la la, whatever, la la la, it doesn't matter, la la la, oh well, la la la. We're going at it tonight, tonight. There's a party on the rooftop, top of the world tonight, tonight. And we're dancing on the edge of the Hollywood sign. I don't know if I'll make it, but watch how good I'll fake it. It's alright, alright, tonight, tonight. You got me singing like, whoa, come on, oh, it doesn't matter, oh, everybody now. the beat pumping, keep the beat up, let's drop the beat down. It's my party, dance if I want to. We can get crazy, let it all out. Just don't stop, let's keep the beat pumping, keep the beat up, let's drop the beat down. It's my party, dance if I want to. We can get crazy, let it all out. It's you and me and we're running this town, and it's me and you and we're shaking the ground, and ain't nobody gonna tell us to go, cause this is our show. Everybody, whoa, come on, oh, all you animals, whoa, let me hear you now. Tonight, tonight, there's a party on the rooftop, top of the world. Tonight, tonight, and we're dancing on the edge of the Hollywood sign. I don't know if I'll make it, but watch how good I'll fake it. It's alright, alright, tonight, tonight. It's alright, alright, tonight, tonight. Yeah, it's alright, alright, tonight, tonight. Just sing it like, oh, come on, oh, all you party people, oh, all you single kids, oh, even the white kids.
Feel like I've been on a flight back to my hometown tonight. Something stops me every time. The DJ plays my song and I feel alright. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nod in my head like yeah, nod in my head. It's like yeah. Put my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, it's a party in the USA. Yeah, it's a party in the USA. Put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nod in my head like yeah. It's like yeah. Put my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. It's a party in the USA. Yeah, it's a party in the USA.
I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'll wear your granddad's clothes.
Damn right.
I look incredible.
Hey, come on, man.
I'm in this big ass coat
Big ass
from
coat.
that thrift shop down the
Let's go,
road.
go.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Now, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big. I'm just pumped. I bought from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
Damn, that's a cold ass honky.
rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes. Those are green draped in a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this. Smells like R. Kelly sheets.
It only felt like 2.
But shit, it was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in by me and grungy fucking man. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Velour jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. They had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket. Then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game. Hello, I could take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. Sneakerheads will be like, ah, he got the Velcro.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Well, we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop houses, driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. We'll all stay skinny cause we just won't eat. And we'll hang out in the coolest bars in the VIP with the movie stars. Every good gold digger's gonna wind up
this thing facing what I'm looking at?
Yep.
Well, I could get everywhere.
Alright, we're unload it out.
Are we switching? Unloading and loading? Alright, what do you need me to do? Have you guys been taking this
Alright, here's what we do.
GoPro! GoPro!
Hey, line up Buck Fever. Gotta be 3 Buck Fevers. 3 and 3? 3 and 3, so 2 sets of 6. Tell me what you got.
Gotta get some shit lit. So what are we doing for the finale? You're just lighting off, trying to get as many as you can at a time?
Yep.
Are we fully loaded?
Yeah, we got one.
No more in the box.
You guys ready?
All right, Nick, we're completely full.
Yep.
And
So are we.
Out of,
Okay, here's the deal. Here's the deal. Don't blow them all at once. Try to save for crescendo. How's that? Now.
well, let us
now.
know when to hit the whole round, Nick.
Yeah, and let us know when the crescendo was.
We're gonna
Oh,
hit
I
all
got
these
you. I got
as fast
you.
as possible. Let us both know.
So Steve-O, are you gonna light just a couple, one, and then boom, 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 boom?
No, we're gonna light both.
So you're not gonna light anything until Nick gives you the word? Okay. Steve, what do we got? Oh, can you reach it with that chair? Okay. Nick, so you're gonna give us the word and we're going crazy?
Yep.
Okay.
You guys wait.
Let him start?
Let the doc start. You guys try to crescendo it.
Yeah, Nick, how many boxes? Nick, how many boxes are you gonna light out there?
Yeah, how many boxes? 30. Well, tell us when you're 20.
Okay, got it. Well, they're all going at once.
Well, tell us when you're
You let us know when you need us to go. Let me get one of those smokes. Yeah. Behind him. Let's go. Steve, you got torch? All right, guys. Move up. We'll stand right under it. Hey, move it.
There it goes.
Guys, up here. Come on in. All right, guys. On three. 1, 2, 3.
U.S. Nick.
That was up.
I know. Luke, did they all work? Everyone, dude. Every week.
Poor boy.
Let's work.
Yeah, not a single mistake. I did.
Get in for a camp loud or what? Yeah.
Ready. All right, guys.
Ready.
On three. Hey, look.
On
Step
three.
on three. 1, 2, 3.
Camp loud! When's it gonna blow? Yeah. They will.
That thing's pretty fat, man. Look at that thing.
That is awesome. I forgot to move the chair.
Oh no, it's metal.
Oh no! Oh! Got 7 more.
Class B.
Hey, I think.
There goes one. Here goes.
That's it.
One more for good shot. For the ghosts. For the ghosts.
He doesn't want to give up, the little guy.
Yeah!